Understanding upwind in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, upwind. It might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Upwind is a compound word made up of two parts, up and wind. Up often means in the direction of or towards a higher point. Wind refers to the natural movement of air, so when combined, upwind refers to the direction from which the wind is coming. If you're facing upwind, you're facing into the wind. Imagine standing outside and feeling the breeze on your face. That direction is upwind. 1. Location context. The campsite upwind of us is having a barbecue, and the smoke is coming our way. 2. Here, the campsite is located in the direction from which the wind is coming, carrying the smoke towards the speaker. 3. Navigational context. We need to sail upwind to reach our destination. 4. In this scenario, the sailors need to sail into the direction from which the wind is blowing to get to where they want to go. 5. Environmental context. Factories should be built upwind of residential areas to prevent pollution from affecting the residents. 6. This example implies that factories, which may release pollutants, should be positioned so that the wind doesn't carry these pollutants into residential areas. 1. Downwind. Opposite of upwind. It means in the direction the wind is blowing towards. If you're standing downwind of something, it means you are in the path the wind is blowing towards. 2. Crosswind refers to the wind that comes from the side. In the context of aviation, for example, a crosswind can make landing an airplane more challenging. And there you have it. We've unpacked the term upwind for you. Now, you're equipped to understand and use this term in various contexts. We hope this has been enlightening, and we wish you happy learning. Remember, every word or phrase you master takes you one step closer to fluency. Keep going!